Hey everybody! So today I'm going to be doing a bedroom makeover for my grandson. I'm going to be minimalizing things in here for him so that hopefully it will help him to be able to keep things clean. Especially because of the distance learning, I want to organize his books, supplies, and his clothes to help make it easier for him. Now, if you want to see how I clean, organize, and make over this bedroom, then stay tuned. So how many of you have some broken vertical blinds in your household? Well, I'm going to show you a quick, easy, no-cost way to fix them. So I'm going to start with the vertical blinds, an index card, and some Scotch tape. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is cut a strip from the index card that is slightly wider and slightly longer than the break. Next, I'm going to fold the strip in half and place it over the hole or the crack on the blinds. You don't want the strip to be too much wider or too much longer than the crack, so you're going to fit it over the hole or the crack to determine how much excess you have and then trim it accordingly. Next, you're going to pull off a piece of Scotch tape that's slightly longer than your index strip. You will then place the folded index strip over the crack or tear, making sure that it's even on all sides. Next, Begin placing the Scotch tape on one of the sides and making sure the tape is even as well. Carefully smooth the tape down and then flip the blinds over. Before smoothing the remaining tape, clip off the excess tape and then smooth the remaining tape down. Amazing, right? Such a simple, quick fix, but just think about all the money I've saved. And my blinds are almost like new. And it didn't cost me a thing. Awesome. I couldn't believe I just spilt all those Legos. Come in. I know, amazing, right? Micah, look over here. Look what I made for you. It's a fort where you can go under there and you can read your books or you can play with your Legos. Look, and look what I put under there. Look, you can sit under there. Check that out. And over here, I put your favorite Lego book and your favorite wolf story and your flipboard from Auntie and Uncle. And down below, I have the other reading books that you like and your school supplies and your paper. And on the bottom there, I put all your pencils and crayons and markers and glue and sticky notes and everything that you need for school. And then next to that is your DVDs and your wallets and your cords. Now you'll know where everything is that you need. Your bed looks cool too, right? And look, come over here. I hung up your superhero cape and your mask that you got from your uncle and his cap. And look what I did to your closet. It's gonna be so easy to keep it clean now. You got your backpacks there, and then down on the floor is where I put all your toys. And I've separated your pants and your shirts and your underclothes into each one of the buckets so you can find them and put them away easily. And I hung up all your coats and jackets too. And up on the shelf, I put all your special stuff that you said you wanted to save. So what do you guys think? My grandson said he loves it. If you enjoyed this video and you want to become a part of the Kathy's Heart family, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you won't miss my next upcoming video. In memory of my uncle, he used to say, you can never accomplish anything complaining. So I say to you, in the roughest, toughest times, push through it. You can do it. Never give up. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.